Alright, now let's take a look at ETH and mark up this chart and put the important levels that we need. So the first thing we're going to start with is the yearly open. So we started 2021 at 736. Right now ETH is bumping against the all-time high. So a break of that and we should get an insane run up, a really nice bull run. So we have the yearly open at 736. I highly doubt, like, if Ethereum comes down to 736, Bitcoin is going to test 25K or even lower, if that's going to happen. But let's see. Okay, so we have the yearly open. Let's grab the weekly. Yesterday's weekly open. We opened yesterday at about. We opened yesterday pretty high. We're below it now. So the weekly open is 1394. So a close above the weekly open should give you a nice long trade to all-time high and better. So this weekend, ETH, well, yesterday, ETH did create a new all-time high at 1482. Right. Right. So we have that. Now let's filter it down a little bit. Let's go to the daily. All right, so we're below the all-time high, and we're below. Let's see if we get a close below. I'm gonna make this line red. I'll make it red because it started a downtrend. So any closes below it was just 1355. Anything below 1355 is fair game to test these lows again. So it is fairly possible that we come back into this range. I doubt we get that low, but it's possible. So this magnets was on. Alright, so if we do fall, like if we have a substantial sell-off, and if we do have a sell-off, BTC will probably break 29K or 28K. But very minimum, at least, we should come down into this box. Let's look at the 4-hour. 4 hours says pretty much the same shit. That, yeah, we'll fall into the box, or we could get a bounce here. Right, so could get a bounce at 1164. That started a pretty nice uptrend. So 1164 started this move here. Oh shit, let me put it back. Oh, that is wrong. Right, so this 1164 area gave us a pretty decent uptrend or a pretty decent up move. So price could come here and bounce. But it shouldn't go below there. And if we lose 1164, we could start to short into the green box. But I don't think we'll get that low. I don't think so. But now let's look at what's going to happen once we break all-time high with ETH. I want to observe the last up. So what I want to see is the reaction above 515 once it broke out. Trading views acting really slow. My apologies. So what I'm trying to see is price. What was that? Like I could probably go to the monthly instead. Yeah, exactly. So wait, can I? This I don't think this Bitstamp shit has enough. Well, no, it does. I'm trying to go to a certain date, November 17th. Alright, whatever. I was trying to use the shortcut to just go to the exact date, but I'm gonna try to find it. I'm sorry. I just have to find this previous price action so I can analyze the move. I did it in a previous video, but I want to just put it in this one. Okay, yeah, here we go. Right there. Perfecto. Right, so when we broke this 515 all-time high, the first move up was right 180%. Jeez. Right, 184%. That would put us at 184%. I'll just do it. Okay. And that was about 184. I'll come back to that in a second. I don't know why trading views it's lagging. It's moving super slow. Alright, here we go. Right? So we're still getting a move down, which means Bitcoin is moving down. But we went 182%. So if we follow that move, 182. Okay. So call it 4,200. Let's just do 100. Make it 185 flat. 42,000. 4,200. Let's just make that the target. Right? So that's the bull run target. And then I guess we can just put one at half that. Should be about. Like, let's put one there and 2,500. Let's do one there, 2,500. Right. So we're gonna label this FOMO target. So like once price breaks 1482, it's going to get to these targets in a fairly fast manner, just like Bitcoin did. And it should do the same thing. This should take about 50 plus days, like last time. So right now, these dips are golden. You're probably never gonna get Ethereum this cheap again. So do yourself a favor and get you some Ethereum and long this to 5K and buy yourself a Lambo. But Ethereum looks pretty simple to me. It's still in a uptrend. No shorts for me until we break this level, and then even the 1164 level, and then this green box. But I do think we will probably. This daily is looking very ugly. It's looking bearish, so we'll probably move down for the next day or two. But once we break this all-time high, it is going to be fireworks, and you don't want to be on the sidelines. So get yourself in the fucking game. Get yourself in the game. And I have a list of. So 2021 is all about trading for me. Right? So I have some content that I do want to put on YouTube. So I want to. So how I'm going to do this is, right, my YouTube page, I'm going to focus on different asset classes during the week. So I'm gonna split up some forex charts on YouTube for y'all to analyze and take the trades. And definitely I have a Binance long list of Binance pairs that I want to just chart live. So I have a lot of work to do. This shit is like 40. So I was thinking probably put like 4 or 5 in each video, and I'll just run through them really quick so y'all can see how to TA these, and then we'll start to trade them once we have everything charted. But yeah, so look out for that this week. I'm gonna be posting a whole bunch of videos on top of my Bitcoin and Ethereum stuff.